Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss how to get started with Spark. Now, if you heard about big data processing, I'm sure that you must have heard about Spark already. However, if you are new, welcome. So first we are going to discuss how to create account in Databricks. But this is one of the most easiest option to get started with Spark, and the best part is either you are uh, using Python, Scala, Java, or R. This community version will provide you different options to write your code. Second option is using Google Colab. Now, if you're a Python developer, so this one will also work because you don't have to create any account or anything. Just using your Gmail account, you can log into Google Colab and just install PySpark and get started. Third one, which will take a little bit more effort, that is setting up your local environment of a Spark. And in this part, we are going to create a new video for this one where we'll do the Scala Spark setup using Eclipse in our local machine. Now let's see all these options one by one. First option is to use Databricks platform, and for that just visit databricks.com and then click on try Databricks. Over here, just provide your details over here and then get started with Databricks. Now, if you have your cloud services, then you can use the full trial for 14 days where you will get all the features of Databricks. This is one of the best way to get started. Second option is to use Google Colab. And over here, if you see, I just install PySpark using pip command, pip install PySpark. And just to showcase like it's actually working, I have imported PySpark and then Spark sessions from SQL, then created one Spark sessions over here. Even the name is demo, and over here I'm creating one data frame, just passing list of tuples over here, and finally we are showing that data frame. If you wanted to install the Spark Scala using Eclipse, then I'll suggest like Scala IDE will be one of the most easiest way to do it. And for that, just visit scalaide.org and then click on downloads IDE, and over here you can download this Scala IDE. One thing is you need JDK 8, that is the requirement. So just click on JDK 8 over here, which will bring you into Oracle sites. And from here, if you are using Windows, then just select the Windows, and then based on the machine configuration, you can download these JDK versions. Now for this one, maybe if you don't have the Oracle account, you have to create one Oracle account to download this JDK. We'll create one separate video where we'll explain about all of these steps in details.